Hi guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Optimum Altice Wi-Fi Extender designed to boost Wi-Fi coverage within a home, especially in areas with weak signals or dead zones. In this video, we will provide Optimum Altice Wi-Fi Extender setup. Let's start. First of all, place the Optimum Altice Wi-Fi Extender next to your Wi-Fi router. Now, plug it into a power outlet. Then, turn on the Wi-Fi extender with the help of power button and wait for the LED signal to blinking. Locate and press the WPS button on your existing Wi-Fi router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Optimum Altice Wi-Fi extender for 1 second. Wait for the LED lights on the extender to turn solid white. Solid white means it indicating a successful connection. Now you can move the Altice Wi-Fi extender to another location. Now, set up Optimum Altice Wi-Fi extender using a web browser. Here, you need to open a web browser on your mobile or computer. Then check the SSID networking list on the device. Simply connect with Optimum Altice SSID name Optimum Extender_XXXX. Now, open a web browser on your Wi-Fi connected device and log in with default IP address of extender. Use admin on your default login details. After login, follow the on-screen instructions and set up your Optimum Altice Wi-Fi extender. Facing any trouble to connect or set up your Optimum Altice Wi-Fi extender, then you can reach us. We will surely help you in that. Thanks for watching.